वाकिफ कहाँ ज़माना हमारी उड़ान से, वाकिफ कहाँ ज़माना हमारी उड़ान से, वो और थे जो हार गए आसमान से. This line is totally suitable on the lady about whom today I am going to tell you. This is a story of a lady who is also known as the Iron Lady, an activist, anchor, artist, model, singer, and the motivational speaker. Shortlisted in the 100 Inspirational Women of 2015 by BBC. Also made it to be the Forbes 13 under 13s list for 2016. Oh my god, long list. But do you know why? Why Iron Lady? The answer is because of this achievement? Partly yes. This achievement is not easy for her. And though she achieved this by defeat her own fear of society's acceptance, and that's why she is an Iron Lady. She belongs to a very conservative Baluch family. At the age of 18, her father told her to get married, and just because of her father's happiness, she got married before complete her study. After her marriage, in 2008, her car met with an accident in which she sustained several major injuries, including broken bones in her arms, rib cage, shoulder blades, collarbone, and spine. Her lungs and livers were also deeply cut. Moreover, her entire lower body was left paralyzed. Doctor told her that I heard you want to be a painter. But sorry, now you can never paint again. She just smiled and accepted. Doctor again told her that you are not able to walk again. She just smiled and said, okay, I'm accepted. And finally, doctor told her that now you are not able to give a birth to a child because of your injuries, and that makes her so sad, and she feels, why am I even alive? She started to questioning her existence, and then very first time she started to make a painting on her deathbed, saying without a single word she can express her pain with these colors. And that time she decided that I am going to live my life for myself. I am just going to take this moment and I will make it perfect for myself. She fought with all her fears. She is on wheelchair, but she feels and said to everyone that accept yourself. When you started to accept yourself the way you are, the people recognize you. It's all start from within. Never give up. Fight with fear. Celebrate your life and live every moment. Do you know who is she? She is Muniba Majari, a lady on a wheelchair who never give up, fight and achieve a goals of her life, and inspired and motivated people like you and me. हर पल मुस्कुराओ, हर पल मुस्कुराओ, बड़ी खास है जिंदगी. क्या सुख, क्या दुख, बड़ी आस है जिंदगी. ना शिकायत करो, ना शिकायत करो तुम, ना कभी उदास हो. जिंदा दिल से जीने का एहसास है ये जिंदगी.